Hey y'all, it's Tiana Chanel and I'm back with another video from Curlsqueen, and this is their Kinky curly ponytail, and I think it's 16 or 18 inches, and this is what it looks like. I wish I would have got it a little bit longer, but it is a drawstring ponytail, so you can clip it on there and secure it by pulling that string. But now I'm just adding water to the perimeter of my head only, and adding some mousse and a little bit of gel, and brushing it up into like a mid ponytail, like a ponytail that's like not too high, not too low, like right in the middle of my head. Basically, that's what I was like going for. I didn't clip all the hair because I just feel like my hair is thick and it's just hard to try to do all the hair at once and have the front really sleek. So I just pulled the perimeter out, and I'm gonna use a second elastic for that part that I feel like I maybe didn't end up showing. And before I ask, like, why if your hair is basically the same length, imagine if I just had to make it a little bit longer, because the hair is pretty, and imagine if somebody else wanted it and their hair was just a little bit shorter. I should have got longer so it can make a difference, but either way the hair is really pretty. So I wanted to define the curls, even though how the curls looked at first was really cute and full, but I wanted to see how if I like wet it and put some mousse on it and diffuse it and do all that good stuff. But like, when I tell you, if I didn't put this ponytail on, y'all would think that I'm like just defining my own hair. That's how good it looks, and I feel like that's the point of this whole video, despite the length being the same. Look how well it matches like natural texture hair, y'all, and look how natural it just looks to begin with. I just clipped the it's 2 clips on the ponytail, and I just clipped it onto the bun, not at the root. I clipped it on the bun for the front and back and pulled the drawstring and tucked it, and that's how it looks this good. And it was just that easy. So I'm just clumping the curls with my DIY wet brush, which I need to get another one of because I keep on breaking them by dropping them. And the best brush ever. Like, it's great for detangling and great for clumping. And yeah, I just love this brush. This is how the hair looked wet, and now I'm just about to diffuse my hair. And it didn't take long to diffuse it, but I just did it on low heat. What did I do? I did it on low heat, high power, if that makes sense. Like the highest force with the lowest heat. And it took probably like about 5 minutes for it to fully dry. It didn't take that long, but I like to do a method of scrunching and just going straight to the middle with it to make sure it's dry. But I was mostly scrunching it because I wanted like a voluminous look, and I wanted the curls to like be clumped and cute. So I was definitely taking my time, but you see what I mean? I'm just like going straight in instead of scrunching it sometimes, just to make sure it's dry in between. So it didn't take too long. So now I'm picking out the hair because, like I said, I want it fluffy, and this is what it looked like. Super cute. I have like 2 versions of this. Y'all see in the end when it's more full, but this is the more defined version, which is still cute and it's still fluffy and natural looking. When I get to dancing, you can tell that I like something. But yeah, love. And I want to try with a low pony one day. But super cute, y'all. And this is hard because I'm not used to making YouTube videos anymore. I'm just used to doing TikToks. And I did post a TikTok on this too. But just look how it moves. I was just trying to show y'all how it flows, how natural it is. And I was like, ooh, a bun would be cute, but I didn't have the material. So I had to get me a scrunchie and actually do it. And it ended up turning out very, very cute. And look at that. Like, nobody, like, if they didn't know you, who would know? Who would know, like, that's not your ponytail? This is 100% human hair, y'all. And it looks like it. Like, who would know? If I didn't show y'all this video, who would know? It still looks like my natural hair, even with me showing y'all that it's not. Like, what? And I feel like every time I did a hairstyle in between, I took it out, the ponytail would get bigger and bigger, which I was looking for. And that's why so many shots of the ponytail in between me doing different hairstyles. But now I'm about to do a claw clip. And what I did was split half my head because all of it was not fitting. And I put some down to look like my ponytail started low to give that illusion. And left some at the top to give like how hair normally gives when it is low and you spread out the top, if that makes sense. And it worked. Like, you would have thought that it was like lower and I just whatever, I had like a lot of hair hanging. But I kind of reverse psychology did, and it worked, and it was very cute. Love this. Again, nobody would know, like, who would know? So this is great for people with shorter hair. I think it's great for me because it just takes a lot to do my hair. I don't care how it looks. For me to define and do my curls like this myself, this would have took 50 minutes. So either way, it's still a steal. And you see how, again, the ponytail is even fluffier like I wanted it to be. So this is the final look. I hope y'all enjoy, and the link for this product will be down below. I love Curlsqueen down. Like, they are the best curly hair company I have like been using for a while. Their clip-ins, everything is a 10 out of 10. Bye. Mwah.